from the build, liquid cool and shining clean. AMD or Intel, we run the ultimate team. Updates popping up, we handle them with style. Linux or Windows, we go the extra mile. Leaders pushing rules on every chip and wire, but we keep our freedom, lifting spirits higher. No limits on the mods we create and we explore. Frames per second steady, ready for more. Ray tracing worlds where the heroes always win. Building epic setups, let the good times spin. Stubborn FPS, never drop below the line. GPU spinning, CPU holding strong and fine. They try to slow us down or block the data stream, but this rate's built for freedom. We take the green. Stubborn FPS, flames lock tight and true. Pixel power rising. Me and you, big challenges coming. Overclock the fun, together we roll. FPS, stubborn like a champion in the game. Diving into battles, earning legendary fame. Thermal rising, we cool it down with clever tricks. Waterloo flowing smooth, victory clicks. They talk about watching every move we make, but we stay connected for the community's sake. From LAN parties popping to late night quests, nerdcore and energy, we're simply the best. Phantom builds glowing fans humming with delight, stacking wins and high scores all through the night. FPS locked at 240, smooth as can be. This rig's our adventure, wild and free. Power levels rising, feel the energy surge. Fan chorus roaring like a victory surge. From every corner of the map, we link up strong.